For the plants in your garden to grow and bloom, they need a consistent flow of water. Of course, you can use a water hose, but there is something way more efficient that you can install in your garden. Installing a drip irrigation system ensures that your plants are watered evenly and regularly, without having the hassle of constantly having to look after them. The drip irrigation ensures a slow release of water directly onto the soil and plants. Installing your own drip irrigation system is not even that hard. Join us in this project and you will have a well-irrigated garden within no time. Ensure that you have the following tools and materials at hand. First of all, it's important to know the different options of water supply. You can attach your drip irrigation system to a deep well if you have one, or on the domestic water tap. We have decided to attach it to the domestic water tap. Determine where the drip irrigation system needs to be installed. Measure the area and the length of the hoses you need. Drawing a grid plan will help you to keep an overview. This is also easy to count the emitters you need for your garden. Once you have measured everything, you can buy your main hose, splitter, the right amount of emitters, and other supplies corresponding with what your garden needs. It is extremely helpful to install a timer to the main water supply. If you ever forget to close the water tap, the water will stop flowing automatically. We have also installed extra security underneath the timer. Once you have finished this, connect the main hose by pushing it into the connecting part. You can now start to run the main hose through the garden. If necessary, you can install a T-connector. The T's connect the hoses together and allow the pipes to branch. You can use the hose cutter to cut the main hose to the desired length. The next step is to install the emitters. Poke holes in the pipe with the emitter tool at strategic points near vegetation. The emitters can be put into the main hose. This will only be successful if the main hose is close to the plants. If the distance is too large from the main hose, you can use an 1/8 of an inch pipe to direct the water to the plants. These pipes can be secured in the ground near the plants. In order to ensure that the system works, the end should be closed. You can buy end caps for this, or you can fold the pipe and apply a tie wrap. Set a timer for when you want the circuit to run and for what period of time. Open the tap and check whether the safety valve is open. Your drip irrigation system is now up and running, reaching your thirsty plants.